Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm making Chinese food. I'm going to be making beef and broccoli. Right now I'm going to go ahead and I've been cutting up some steak. So this is flank steak and I'm just cutting it into thin strips right on the grain. This allows a lot of flavor and a lot of tenderness. Okay, so we're going to get started on the next step is to add some cornstarch and do this according to how much beef that you use. I'm using less than 1/4 cup. And then next up is just going to be soy sauce. And my soy sauce, I always kind of do it to taste. Okay, and then now we're just going to go ahead and mix this together. Now it's mixed together. I'm just going to let it sit for a couple minutes after it's all mixed up just to marinate together for a little bit. Okay, after that's been sitting there for a few minutes, it's time to go ahead and get your skillet ready. So I've already had mine heating up for a few minutes. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in and then some sesame oil also, just to add flavor, like the Asian flavor for the beef. Okay, and you want your pan to be at medium to high heat. Kind of stir the oil around at the bottom of the pan to get it coated. I like to use a cast iron pan because it leaves a great sear. Okay, time to go ahead and place your meat in the pan. And you want to kind of get it as separated as possible so it can cook evenly. And you're going to have it cook on one side for 3 minutes. And then you're going to go ahead and stir the meat around and then cook for 1 more minute. You only want to cook for a few minutes because you want the steak meat to be very tender and lots of flavor. If not, it will be very hard to chew and it's tough, and no one really likes to eat a tough steak. Okay, the meat has been cooking for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and stir the meat around. It has got a little bit stuck to the bottom of the pan, but that's okay. But it smells amazing, and it's got a nice sear on it. So after it's stirred around, it will cook for 1 more minute. Okay, next step, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. This is what really gives it that Chinese beef and broccoli flavor. So we're going to start with some beef stock or beef broth. Then soy sauce. Brown sugar, ground ginger. You can also use minced fresh ginger too if you like. Minced garlic. I'm not a real big ginger fan, so that's why I just use the ground ginger. And then cornstarch. And then you're going to mix this together. And you're just going to stir it until all this cornstarch is mixed together well with your liquids. It looks amazing, but I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more soy sauce, just because I really like the way that tastes. It's coming together beautifully. So next step is to cook your broccoli. I already have my pan on medium to heat with a little bit of oil in the pan, and this is fresh broccoli that I've already chopped up. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. You can cook a little bit longer. You can also steam it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some minced onion for flavor. You can do real onion too, but I didn't want a whole lot of onion, so that's why I just chose to do the minced onion. It's all what you like and what your flavors that you enjoy. Okay, so now the broccoli has had enough time to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the cooked beef steak that we did earlier in the video. And mix it all together. Look how beautiful the colors are together, and it smells so amazing. I wish y'all could smell how good it is. So then next we're going to go ahead and pour in our sauce mixture that we made. Then you're going to mix that all together, and then you're going to let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes just to coat the beef and the broccoli to get the flavors marinated together. Everything smells so good and it looks so pretty. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this beef and broccoli. Wow, just like the original Chinese food. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that you try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.